Suppose you want to find the solutions for when 1/4 times x minus 2 squared minus 1 is greater than 0, and where is it less than 0? Well, the easiest way to do this is to set this equal to y equals 1/4 x minus 2 squared minus 1, and graph the parabola. And whenever y is positive, this branch will be true, and when y is negative, this branch will be true. Now this is in vertex form, so you know you have a vertex of 2, -1, so you can come graph that. To find your intercepts, when x is 0, what have you got? Y is 1/4 times 0 minus 2 squared minus 1. So this is 1/4 times 4 minus 1, 1 minus 1. Okay, so it's going to go through the origin. You have an axis of symmetry. Equal to x equals to 2. So since you have an axis of symmetry of x equals to 2, since the origin is a 0, then you know 2 units to the right will also be a 0. Once you have the two intercepts, you can sketch your curve. So the answer to the question, when is this inequality greater than 0? Well, this is greater than 0 whenever the quadratic is greater than 0. So the first one will be x. Let me write it this way. When x is from -infinity to 0. And we're not going to include the endpoints because it's not equal to. And then from 4 to infinity. Where is 1/4 x minus 2 squared minus 1 less than 0? Well, that will be here, where the quadratic is negative. So that will be from 0 to 4. Let's look at this one right here. Where is 2x squared minus 14x greater than 0? Well, let's set this equal to a quadratic. Y equals 2x squared minus 14x. Let me factor 2 out. Oh, let me factor 2x out. So this is going to be left with x minus 7. So you're going to have zeros at x equals 0 and x equal to 7. All right, so there are your zeros. Now, you know that the vertex is halfway between the zeros. So the vertex will be at 7 plus 0 divided by 2, or 7/2. So I'm going to put my curve in here. Turns out we really didn't need to do that for this problem. Well, you do need to find the vertex y, because you need to know if it's upward facing or downward facing. I guess you know it's upward facing because this is positive. So you know it's going to curve like this. So where is it positive? It's going to be positive from -infinity to 0. And then this is 7, from 7 to infinity. Where is it going to be negative? Well, it's negative in this region right here, where this is below the axis. So between 0 and 7.